We are Ascension Extensions, your #1 Indian hair supplier. Today we bring you a video sponsored by Grape Studio Hair Salon, located in the city of Scottsdale, Arizona. Today we'll be showing you all over color. Here's our beautiful client, Nikki. She has a partial sew-in using 18 inches of our Indian loose wave. Our stylist, Tracy, is applying jet black. Let's watch. We recommend taking your extensions to a hairstylist for proper color application. It is your choice to color your bundles before they're installed, or again, going to a stylist to have them colored while they're installed. This is going to process for about 20 minutes. Time to rinse. Here she just rinsed, shampooed, and conditioned. Look at that hair. Beautiful. Gorgeous. I'm gonna buy some of that. Dryer time. We do recommend air drying or sitting under a hooded dryer to dry your hair extensions for best results. Here our stylist, Tracy, is blow drying just the very ends of the hair using a paddle brush. Nikki is going for a sleek look. One pass is all you need with a titanium plated flat iron. Satisfying. Our hair extensions can be purchased at www.ascensionextensions.com. Also, this is a good time to remind you to take a moment to hit subscribe. It really helps our channel. No product was added after the conditioner. only to her natural leave out. We applied a little bit of serum. Seamless. Look at that. You can have hair just like this at ascensionextensions.com. Looks like Nikki is satisfied with the color and the sleekness. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned. Next week we have another video for you. Tape-in extensions.
Oh, please. Okay, wait. Pause. We're going to have to reshoot that. Oh, really? Why?
We would like to thank Grape Studio Hair Salon for sponsoring this video, Tracy the Stylist, and most importantly, Ghetto Productions and Photography.